Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Stephanie Sanchez, and I am a social worker by trade. I've worked primarily in the child welfare industry, and now I'm also adding a software engineer to my titles.
Yeah. Nice.
So, being part of the child welfare industry, it can be taxing, and one of the ways that I self-preserve is by going on vacations and enjoying myself. But I find it more enjoyable when I do it with my friends and my family. And one of the problems that I do encounter in doing that is because I naturally organize things. So in organizing, I'm always bombarded with the same questions over and over because there's no central place of source of information. So the participants feel lost. And FYI, these are real questions for one trip that we're all going on in different areas. So it was a real problem for me. So what I decided to do was create a web app that solves that problem, creating a centralized, accessible space for itinerary information. We're able to visualize it because when we can see something, you can do it. And also, it allows us to not forget essentials of the trip. I'll go ahead and demonstrate what that looks like. Here is my landing page. And if you are to click the Get Started, it brings you to this login where you're able to log in using Google Login. And a fun fact, the reason why Todd's 1979 vehicle has so few mileage is because he's traveling the world.
Oh, yeah.
So upon logging in as Todd, you are able to see a lot of the different destinations that he's added since using the app. And clicking any of them, you will be able to see the details that are displayed on there. Now there's also the option of adding a destination. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that here by selecting this. All these fields are optional, but because I like things to look a little nice, I'll go ahead and just add an image to this. And then I'll leave all the other fields for now. So upon clicking submit, you'll see right here this San Francisco destination has been added, and if we had more information on it, it would have been displayed here as well. The tech stack that I use for this is Firestore as my database, and Node and Express as my API. I deployed the backend using GCP's Firebase cloud functions. In the front end, I use React.js, and I deployed it using Firebase hosting as well. And for security, I use Firebase authentication, and I also use and design component library. In the future, I'd like to be able to add user roles and a group chat within the app, and also the option of editing and filtering capabilities. Again, thank you for having us, for being here with us today. My name is Stephanie, my full name is Stephanie Carolina Sanchez, because Stephanie Sanchez is taken on Gmail. And you can find my links at the QR code listed here.